tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel.
Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I've got the Batmobile Tumbler. Yes, it's late this month. Oh, this 6 week I should say. It's about 3 weeks late, actually. We usually get it when issue 73 has come through. For those that get it from the newsagents. But anyway, it's here now. Now, you will need the parts from issue 70. And as per usual, there's not a fantastic lot to it, but there are some chunky parts in each of the issues. So that's fantastic. And we also get to find out what's coming in issue 77. The left wing actuators. Oh, right, okay. Doesn't seem to be a great lot though, but never mind. Anyway, without further ado, let's have a look at stage 71. Okay, stage 71, go through the magazine. A missile wrapped in a car. There we go. That's another futuristic car that they invented in the comics. Sheds its wheels. It's got down an alleyway. Look at that. Brilliant artwork. Love the artwork. Alternate universe. There we go. I think that's Dick Grayson stepping into Batman's cowl. And here we have step-by-step instructions. The left flank. A couple of canopy locks. They're just push into place. There we go. And then we attach that to the window we got in 70. And that is what we're left with. Looks great. Coming in next issue, the right window and its frame. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okie dokie, here are our parts. Always nicely wrapped, of course. There we go. Those are our parts. That looks absolutely excellent. Now we have a couple of what they call canopy locks here. They do have the shape of a lock stamped on them. There we go. Just got to make sure we get them the right way around. But I think one peg is actually bigger than the other. It is, yeah. The smaller peg is at the bottom. So that presses into there. And that one goes in there, like so. Excellent. You can see they've come through there. Now we need the window from 70, and basically that will match up just like that. There we go. And we need 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. And as per usual, we'll pop a little bit of oil on the first screw and get that into place. There we go. Missing some paint there for some reason. Never mind, it's on the inside, you won't see that. But there we go, that is stage 71. Well, stage 70 and 71 actually. Looking brilliant all that, isn't it? Yeah, fantastic stuff. Let's move on to stage 72. Okay, moving swiftly on to stage 72, we have Norm Brayfogel's Car of the Future. That looks cool, I love the colour. Not sure about the front, but the colour looks brilliant. And then we have Detective Comics, Batman, Lizard, Two-Face. Oh, look at that. There's an angry Batman. Brilliant stuff. Step-by-step instructions, number 72, the right window and its frame. There we go, so we just push the window into the frame, basically, that is it. And then we have the right panel, so similar to what we've just done. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, we have the parts, stage 72, let's get them out. There we go, there's the frame. And you can see the little pegs there, location pegs. This will be the window. There we go. So it is just a matter of lining this up onto each of them little pegs, just like that, and pressing it into place. There we go. It's as simple as that. Excellent. Never ever use super glue on these parts. If you ever need glue, use a canopy glue. There we go, that's in place. Brilliant. So that is stage 72 complete. Let's move on to stage 73. Okay, doke, stage 73. Here we have the fastest ever. Love the artwork as always. Val Kilmer, Batman Forever. Nicole Kidman, lovely actress. Jim Carrey, what a nutter. Oh, look at them outfits. My heck. There we have Jim Carrey and Tommy Lee Jones, Two-Face and the Riddler. Excellent. And here we have the right panel with 3 cm screws, just like we did before with issue 71. But there's no canopy locks with this, I don't think. Nope. Anyway, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. We have CM screws, and there is the frame itself. Excellent. So we've got 1, 2, 3 screw points. Let's get the screws out. Okay, let's pop this with what we got in 72. There is only 2 screws for this, not 3. The 3 that we need for later in the build, that will go there like that, and that will go there, just like that. And like I said, there are 2 screw points, one here and one here. So we get the first one in here. This is a CM screw, of course. Like I said before, there's no fantastic lot to do in any of these stages this month, but they are nice chunky parts. The end result is what you're obviously aiming for. There we go. That is issue 73 completed. Looking superb though, isn't it? You can see where there's another 3 screws there and something here as well. Excellent stuff. And here. Yeah, 3 there and 3 there. Only trying to stretch it out. Anyway, let's move on to 74. Excellent. Stage 74. Let's have your Batmobile Year 1 with hidden tyres or hidden wheels. That looks brilliant, doesn't it? Didn't do a great lot that car though. Then we have the Long Halloween. Yep, a bit more modern. And there's another cracking picture of Batman. And here we have step-by-step instructions. So again, we get the canopy locks and 74A. And there we go. So we'll put the canopy locks on, and we'll put that piece on, what we've just completed on 73. And that is what we're left with. And coming in next issue, left-hand air intake with grill. Brilliant stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okie dokie, here we have stage 74 parts. Let's get these bits and bobs out. There we go. We can see where we put the canopy locks. They'll be in here. I'll put these locks into place again. One peg is bigger than the other, so you can't really get this the wrong way around. Unless, well, you can't. Unless you make a mess of it, of course. Which we're not going to do. Get in there. That looks just like that. Excellent stuff. Right. So we want that like that. And where are we? Let's see. These 3 please. Is it them 3? Where are we? There we go. Yep. Oh, that one's got some paint missing as well. Just here. There. It doesn't matter, I suppose, but anyway. We need 3 CM screws for this. That will go into that position just there, like so. And we'll get the screws into place. There we go. That's stage 74 for you. Pretty cool. What do you think? I need to straighten that camera as well. Okay, no. So that is stage 74. Let's move on to stage 75. Okay, stage 75. Every man for himself. There we go, Batman Contagion. Ooh. Ooh, diseased. And there's a beautiful picture. Is it not? Step-by-step instructions. The left air intake with grill. So there's no fantastic lot to this, is there? What, 4 screws? Yeah, and that's what we're left with. And then, in the last issue for this month, we have the left intake flat with pin and hinge. There are the parts. Let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. That is a one big chunky piece of metal. Ah, we have SM screws for this one. The grill will be in here, of course. Come on. There we go, little darling. And yep, that should basically go just there, like so. And we have 4 screws. There, you can see that alright, yeah. So we have 4 SM screws to get in place for that. Keep that there. There we go, nice. Okay, let's tap the first screw in. We'll get this corner one in now, I think. Let's get the last screw in. There we go. That's that air intake. You can see where we put the hinge in the next issue. Okay, now let's move on to the last stage for this month. Stage 76. Stage 76. Crossover vehicles. Oh, Judge Dredd. Oh, that looks wicked. So many actual Batmobiles. You could have a room full of them, couldn't you? Brilliant stuff. Love the artwork. Keep going on about it, but I do love the artwork. And here we have the left intake flat with pin and hinge. CM screws. Back to our CM screws. There we go. So we'll pop the hinge into place over that hinge there. So it slots into there, that pin, extended pin. And then we put the 76B through 76C. And then we'll connect 76C to 75A as an element as well. Let's see if it has or it hasn't. And there we go, left wing actuators coming in the next issue. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have our parts. Okay, those are our parts. It does have an L on it there. You can see that little pin there. Now this piece is plastic, and that there, off that hinge, will go into there like that. That will come round there like that. Line that up, and we'll pop this hinge through there. And that is that held into place. Excellent. Then we need this back, because this will go on to here. And does it go? Yeah, it goes that way, doesn't it? I think. Yeah, that fits nice and flush. But you can see there's a couple of these grooves for the hinges, so as it sits nice and flush, just like that. There we go, excellent. Now we need the CM screws. Okay, let's pop that back into place, just there like so, and get the first CM screw. There we go. A little bit of oil on that screw. Excellent. And there we go. That's the left air intake hinge. Brilliant. Oh, it goes so far back as well. Just to the, yeah, you can see there. It's like a stopper. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. So there we go. So that is issues 71 to 76 complete. So there we go. That is stages 71 to 76 for this month. That looks brilliant, that, does it not? There we go. I don't know if that's the right way around or not, but there we go. Looks pretty cool. I love these. Yeah, the canopy locks. And there we go. There's the rest of what we've got up to now. Obviously, I've not got the PCB or the battery box there, but you can see overhead. Yeah, it's really coming along. A lot more to do yet, but yeah, they're not in any correct order, obviously. These two will be, well, together anyway. But yeah, there we go. Anyway, guys, that is it. So that's it for this month. I do like this. I do like the canopy locks on it. Yeah, everything's hunky-dory. When I wrap all this up, I put it in a box and keep it safe. Excellent stuff. It's going to be a monster, this, when it's finished. Yeah, brilliant stuff. Anyway, I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, give us a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time for the next 6 stages. Lovely jubbly. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.